and members, thank you for inviting me. I have very few words because you have directed me to the specific issues that you would like me to pronounce myself on. And subject to any further directions, I want to go straight to that agenda.
Please do.
The first question that you put to me relates to the question of restructuring IEBC and the audit of the 2022 elections. First, I would like to state that it's been my very unfortunate duty to be involved in the reconstitution of IEBC previously, a process that was very, very difficult for all the parties involved. I remember that we disbanded the entire IEBC, sent them home, and we started afresh. I would personally be against institutionalizing that kind of thing. I do not support creating a permanent state of instability in institutions. For example, we have reconstituted the judiciary twice. And I think that some good gains were made by that process, but I think that that process created some inherent instability in the institution itself. But I'm not here to talk about the judiciary. I'm here to talk about IEBC. We have tried several methods of constituting IEBC. When, Mr. Chairman, you recall, we came out of the crisis of the 80s, and we had IPPG. It was thought that what we should do is to allow political parties to nominate individual members into the IEBC. It was an unmitigated disaster. It was an unmitigated disaster. And I don't think we should be tempted again to allow party participation in the appointment of commissioners. I believe myself that we need an independent, robust process of recruitment. At the present, I am not very sure that the system in place is giving us our best first 11. Now, how can we strengthen it? I think that, for example, when they say the Law Society of Kenya, my own professional body, is to send a representative, I am not very sure that that necessarily creates autonomy. Or when they say religious leaders will have a representatives, or trade union leaders, and so on and so forth. I think we need to find a way of forming that constitutive body that will interview those who qualify for these positions. I agree with those who say that there is no legal reason why the chairman should be a lawyer. Because the election is more than a legal process. It's a management process. And what we want to do is be able to elect into the commission good managers, strong managers, proven managers, who then can hire the best lawyers that they can, either within the Secretariat itself or from outside the Secretariat. Hopefully whom they can be able to pay. Number two,